Hello guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Sonia. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I recreated these jumbo bob braids look that I found on Pinterest. So that's it. Yeah, in today's video that's exactly what I'm going to be showing. This was actually my first hairstyle for the year 2024 and I really loved it. So to begin, I used some afro twist hair and spring twist to achieve this look. I mixed them together, fluffed it out, and then crocheted it into my hair. So if you looked at the inspiration, it was actually a knotless braid, but at the time of filming this video I didn't know how to do knotless, and because it was jumbo I knew that if I do knotless the roots will be very loose and I wanted to get a clean look. So I did it how we normally braid your hair. I wrapped the roots, then I braided the rest. So that's simply how I did it. It's so easy to achieve this look, and therefore if you are interested in recreating this look, I suggest you keep on watching till the end so that you know whatever I did to achieve the look. So at this point, if you are a new viewer, I would like to welcome you once again to my channel. I'm so glad that you chose to click on this video, and I also suggest that you subscribe for more videos from me. On this channel I basically do anything here and any other hobby of mine, so why don't you subscribe and also like my video. If you have any comments, any questions, you can also put it in the comment section. And if you've not watched my other videos, I suggest you go and watch them to know more about my channel. Thank you. I'll leave you guys here to watch the entirety of what I did. going to cut in. I'm not done yet. Yeah, after this I put them in some hot water to loosen it up a bit, so that it will not be that stiff. Yeah, so that's what I did. I smeared some shea butter on the strands to protect it from too much heat, I guess. If you want to recreate this style, you must not miss this step. Okay, this step is like the redefining moment for this hairstyle. It loosens the braids up and makes it very flexible. That's an important tip to note. So right now I'm done with the hair and I'm really loving it. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.